I believe the Tata Group itself has very high and strong customer-centric culture, employee-centric culture, ethics, governance, everything. It's a role model for Indian corporates, and I would say global corporations, to take a clue from Tata Group companies. So we inherit a lot of that culture, and each of the companies actually want to ensure that we continue the same. And that actually completely depends, it flows from the top, as you know. So if the leadership of the organization is aligned with the corporate ethos and the governance, the culture that you want to set, there is absolutely no doubt that that's how the rest of the organization would get built. The single most contributing factor is a genuine concern of employees. I believe very strongly that if the people in the organization are not happy, they can never make a customer happy. If the vendors who are our partner in doing construction, if they are not happy, then we will never be building happy homes, for sure. If our tenants in the office complexes are not looked after, then they will not be around our offices for too long, right? If our investors are not making money, then we would lose the appeal as an organization. So we see all these with a single lens. Everybody matters. And once you build that and lead by example, it kind of builds as a culture. The other culture that we build is the performance. Businesses are extremely competitive. I think it would be an understatement for me to make that we have to put in twice the effort to generate same revenue that we used to generate 10 years ago, right? And all your Form 16s are no longer showing 15% increase in salaries, correct? On the contrary, some of them may be showing negative. And it is how it should be. You cannot have fixed costs going up by 15-20% to maintain your profitability. It's not sustainable. And therefore that correction has happened, that discipline has happened, and that culture of high performance has come in, not just in Tata companies, but I think across the globe. And to be able to then sustain yourself as an organization or as an individual, as a performance, you have to deliver the results and meet the expectations. So I think that messaging and a very large component often gets covered also when you actually link